Here are 5 things we have seen successful financial professionals do to sell more plans.
So I'd say the number one is to build trust and credibility.
Absolutely. Okay.
With the client.
Absolutely. So there are a couple of things that can be done for this. Professional certification. There are different initials that one can get after their name in order to show specific credentials in the retirement industry. Also, some broker-dealers have certain designations that they want their sales staff to obtain as well in order to sell plans. The biggest one is educating the clients, client education.
And that's really where you build a relationship.
You build a relationship, you make yourself known. Now, you're posting on social media, starting a YouTube channel, kind of like this. Now then, we do understand that there are restrictions on these channels that vary by broker-dealer, all right? Some people are able to do an awful lot, and other people are a lot more restricted, okay?
Figure out what you can do.
Figure out what you can do. Now then, number 2 is leverage technology and tools.
So online platforms use robust, user-friendly online platforms to manage and administer 401k plans, making it easier for clients to access information and track their investments. Believe it or not, you'll see a participant look and model a loan at 2 a.m. in the morning, and then you get the request in the morning, first thing in the morning.
So some of the vendors that we work with, the online platforms, they've got some really good tools to help you educate your plan sponsor prospects, your plan sponsor clients, their employees, and participants. And of course, there's also some financial planning software available to most financial professionals. Those can be some very helpful tools, as well as automated communications. Again, probably broker-dealer dependent, but there's HubSpot, MailChimp, I think Pipedrive, there's a lot of them, okay?
But your clients are happy to hear, hey, there was a change.
This is what you need to pay attention to. This isn't spam. This is what you're paying me for, kind of deal. All right?
You're on top of what's happening in the industry.
Now then, number 3, a personalized solution. Not every company is in its same life period. Okay, companies seem to be like humans. They've got an infancy, they got a toddler stage, they've got the rebellious teenage stage. Then they're older, and then they get really old. All right. So make sure that your needs assessment is paying attention to where your clients and where your plan prospects are in that growth cycle, okay? Are they just maintaining? Are they growing rapidly? Are they keeping the same number of employees? Are they going to be sending a lot of employees overseas? Are they going to be hiring a lot of part-timers? All those things have a direct bearing on how you can help set up a successful plan for that particular client.
Ongoing support. This is probably the biggest one out there.
Absolutely.
We're amazed at the number of clients, new to us, takeover clients who don't know who their financial professional is or when they last showed up. It's a key indicator of I'm moving my plan because I don't even know who my financial professional is.
Right, and at some other point we're going to be talking about financial responsibility. And so for a plan sponsor to be having money taken out of participants' accounts, even if most of it is the owner's account, but if the owner's having money being taken out of a participant's account, if there's no service being provided for those fees, and you don't know who's supposed to be providing those services, that is a violation of that plan sponsor's fiduciary liability. So you don't want to be that person, all right? You want to make sure that they know how to get in touch with you and that you're providing them the level of service that you said you were going to, all right? Number 4.
Network and build relationships.
Right, professional associations, there's a variety of different ones. I think is probably, for our industry, probably NAPA is one of the biggest ones. NAPA, not the auto parts store and not the wine growing region, although they should have all their meetings there. All right. Now, so join and actively participate in these professional associations. Can we have a link to NAPA in the show notes there, please, Zach? There's also the Financial Planning Association, and of course, local business chambers are a great place to network.
Have some partnerships. So form strategic partnerships with accountants, lawyers, and other professionals who can refer clients needing 401k plan services.
Maybe, depending on what your broker-dealer rules are, maybe you can be the 401k person in your region, your company, your location, whatever. We have a lot of very successful professional and financial advisors who work with, they get the prospects referred to them from other people in their office. Okay, yes, everybody's making a little bit less money because there's a compensation split, but more plans are being put on the books. Become that person who knows what's going on and have the other people in your company refer plans to you as well. And number 5 and last, educate and empower your clients.
So it's really the informational content is really important, that you create and distribute educational contents that's in blog posts, white papers, videos that explain the advantages and details of 401k plans.
And again, of course, all those actual rules, what you're able to do is based on your specific broker-dealer, all right? And so make sure you're allowed to do what you want to do, all right? There are other ways you can do interactive workshops for people in your area. There's a lot of new topics. People are not understanding the new Secure 2.0 tax credits for starting a new plan. People are not understanding long-term part-time employee rules. People are not understanding
Actually, state plans and the reason for why you should open up a 401k plan.
Right, automatic enrollment and a whole bunch of other things. You can help to be that resource. Oh, and we know a TPA firm who can help them with that. Anyways.
So this boils down again to you being there and being a resource.
Absolutely. And you know what else to do? Like, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. All right? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to keep those cards and letters coming.
Toodaloo.